Today, me and him right here are going to teach you how to get every cosmetic in the game. Alright? Yeah. Are you ready? Are you ready?
No.
Alright, too bad. So sad. Come on. Come. Cry about it. Big scary Christmas. Big scary Christmas. If I had a snowflake, I would give it to Pierre. So this hat you can't get anymore.
You can't get that.
Yeah, this was from the Easter event. You can't get that anymore. Camo hat. It was in level 1. You cannot get it anymore. But he has it. This hat. You can't get this hat anymore. There used to be a button right there, but you can't get this hat. Eyeball. Can't get the eyeball anymore. In the Halloween event. Frog. You have to beat level 11, which we're gonna beat level 11 in a different video. This is the default hat.
Why do I not have that? Wait.
This hat, this hat, this hat, this hat, this hat, and this hat are all in this vending machine, which you need 2 bananas.
I actually can't get that for some reason.
Alright? This one, you had to beat level 8, and you had to play in the first week of the Big Scary being out. Can't get that anymore. This hat, I'll show you how to get these 2 hats. Ready? I have that too. But I'm actually gonna use the frog. Alright, let's go. Alright, we're going to level 7. They're in level 7. Are you ready? Are they bugged? Yep, they're definitely bugged. So the first half, right there. That's the first half. Alright? Now the second hat. So for the second hat, you need to go up here for the second hat. This way, up here. Hello?
Hello?
Where are you? Oh, there you are. Where he is.
You're inside the monster for me.
Huh? Second hat's right here. Easy peasy. Wait, how'd you die? Wait, what happened? What's in here? Can I go in here? Oh, okay. Alright. I want to dive through the thing. Okay, that's how you get those. Alright. Easy peasy.
Help me! Help!
What?
I just flew into the Christmas tree.
Oh! Climb out.
I'm in the Christmas tree.
Climb out.
I can't. My hand's stuck. I'm not coming in.
Alright. Come. Alright. We're gonna look at the next cosmetic. Big scary Christmas. Alright, that's how you get these. Now I'm gonna show you how to get this one and this one, which is at level 9. Come.
My monsters are not frozen.
Huh?
It's me, Pumpkin the Pumpkin.
My
I want some
monsters
candy to eat and I will open
are
the door
unfroze.
for you. Oh yeah.
They're froze for you.
Find some candy for me.
Oh, actually my monsters are frozen.
Let's go. Alright, so the first hat.
Yeah, they are.
Alright, good. So, for the pumpkin hat. If you really want the pumpkin hat, well, you're in the...
No. They're unfroze for me.
That's not good. Pumpkin hat. Right there. Alright. my god, you scared me. Alright, so the second hat is right there. That's the second hat. I'm gonna direct you.
Who's that, Mom?
For the second hat, I'm gonna direct you. So, you go this way, this way,
Whoa, Ethan?
this way, this way, this way, this way, this way. Then you go, wait, wrong way. You go this way, then this
Who's
way,
that?
this way, this way, this way, this way, and there it is. Right? Is this a walking house? Will the house kill me? No. Okay. Okay. I want this guy to kill me. Alright, let's go. So that's how you get those two. And I accidentally went to space. Fantastic. Hello? Where are you? Friend? Hello? Hello?
See that blue guy over there named Xenon in any lobby, public or private. I want you to yell at him as loud.
Oh. Meet him. Big scary Christmas. Big scary Christmas. If I had a snow. Where are you? Oh, there you are. So this hat was like one.
You can't get.
Yeah, you can't get this anymore. It was like one of the
That's in
first.
the Valentine's update.
Shush. This was like one of the first badges. So you can't get that anymore, sadly.
You know that's
you
the only badge they have.
There's vending machines to get these. There's vending machines in the space map to get those.
No, there isn't.
Oh, well, they're in the space map somewhere.
These, you have to beat each planet.
Yeah, you have to.
Then you get them.
I'm an idiot. You have to beat each planet. Sorry. These are bundles.
you
You
buy.
need real money. You need. Well, you can't get this one, but you can get this one for $15. You can't get that anymore, sadly. Where are you? You need 10K
Me
subs
too.
for this one, and you can read that if you want. Yeah, to get this one, you need to read. You can read that. To get this one, you need 10K subs. For this one, I'm gonna show you how to get this one. So, alright. So for the capybara pet, it's actually really easy to get. You can do this solo easily. So we need to go into level 13. No, 5. Yeah. Yeah, so we go this way. You can see this pile of rocks right here. Capybara pets right there. Okay? Capybara. Capybara, 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 capybara. Alright? That's how you get the capybara pet. Really nice and easy. Bundles, you need real money. But I can't get them because I'm a brokey bokey. Where'd you go? Hello? Oh my goodness.
I'm in the shop.
I am too.
Oh my god, find me.
Oh my goodness. This kid is so skibbity. Hi. Alright, anyway, stop messing around. Alright, so to get this hat, it's actually really easy to get too. This hat is just that hat. This hat is just a remix. This hat.
You
this
find
hat,
this in the Christmas tree?
Shush. This hat is a remix.
Whoa!
Listen, this hat is a remix version of this hat.
This you get in level 20.
Yeah, you have to be at level 20 to get the ice cube. This hat is in the Christmas tree. This hat you can't get. This hat I'll show you how to get. So, To get that hat, you have to go.
Sucks.
You have to, what level is that hat again?
12.
12? You have to go to level 12.
Yes, I mashed.
Where the big stinky Yeti is. Bro's probably never taken a shower before.
You go show them.
So you go this way. This way. Right there. Easy. Alright, let's go. That's how you get that hat. Nice and easy. Alright, let's go. Alright, that's how you get this hat. You need real money to get those, which I'm brokey pokey
Like
again.
this. I don't know why I bought this.
Yeah. I don't know either. This hat you
These
can't
two
get
on the
anymore.
vending machine.
This hat you have to play in the first year of Big Scary being out.
You can still get that.
This?
Uh-huh.
How do you get it?
It's all just... It's, well, they can find out themselves. It's in level 19.
Do you want to go find it?
No, I don't.
Why?
It's confusing.
Wait, can I go see what
There's
level
a whole
19
bunch
is
of
again?
houses everywhere, and then they have this grass everywhere. You try to find it, it's hard. Just never.
Alright, so good luck
If you
finding
want
this.
to find it so bad, you go to level 19.
Alright, so yeah. I'm gonna show you how to get this pet now. So before we get to that hat, this hat, this hat, this hat, and this hat are all up here.
In the
You
vending
need
machines.
to go up here and they're all in this vending machine. You need 20 bananas. Oh, I have 3 bananas. I thought I had 0.
Oh
Who
no!
What?
One sec.
Okay.
There we go. Alright, go.
I got the girly hat. The cat ears. Alright, perfect.
Here you go.
Anyway, so let me show you.
Oh, I set my headset.
Alright, anyway. Let me show you how to get the clown pet. So, you need to go into level 15. Alright, he's bugged for me. Is he bugged for you? He got me. Alright,
Hey, come back here. Have to go.
okay. Wait, don't leave yet.
Hey. No, come down here. I wanna tell you something.
Wait, I went the wrong way. Hello? So you go this way.
Just
Right.
stay online, okay?
Right there. Hang on. So you go right.
Listen.
Right. So from there, you go this
Come
way.
here, come here. Wait.
What?
I'll be back.
Okay.
I'm getting my haircut.
How long will it take? Great. Take it. Alright. And that is how you get all the hats. Hope you liked the video. Like and subscribe. See you later. Bye.